Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna do a walkthrough on how to limit access to your Kamatera account so it can be logged in only from a specific IP addresses. It is a simple yet powerful security feature that makes sure that only trusted networks or devices has access to your Kamatera account. Let's get started. Once you logged into your Kamatera account, you need to go to the top right corner of the page and find icon of your user profile. On your user profile page, you need to scroll down and find the security section. In this security section, you can see the IP addresses login access list. By default, your account is accessible through any IP, and we're gonna change this now. First, you need to check in your IP addresses access list, and as you can see, we have no specific IPs listed here. We click Add IP, and in the new field, we are clicking Add IP. Now it appeared in the list, and also you have a security notice that IP access has been added successfully. In case if IP address will be different from the one that you are using right now, you will see the warning message. If you want to add multiple IP addresses, in this case you will need to repeat this process several times, adding it one by one. And in the end, you're gonna see all them listed here. Also, please make sure that you are adding IP that you will be using, because otherwise you will be simply locked out of your account. Now, to make sure that our security rule works, we will need to change our network and try to log into our account. So we change the network, and as you can see, we are already logged out. If we will try to log in again, if we don't need this feature anymore, we can remove IP address and we can switch off this rule. So, with Kamatera, you can easily manage your IP accesses and make sure that your account is secure in just a few simple steps. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tutorials.